Negative 7 plus 7 gives us 0. And 0 times 8 over 7. 0 times 8 is just 0, and 0 over 7 equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In the numerator, we have one addition and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition, because multiplication comes before addition. So here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first this multiplication. 7 times 8 gives us 56. So negative 7 plus 56 over 7. Negative 7 plus 56 or 56 minus 7 gives us 49. So 49 over 7, which equals 7. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 7.